How to change your frequency to attract money, the wealth signal you're missing. What if I told you money isn't attracted by hard work alone? It's attracted by frequency, energy, and alignment. Right now, your mind is broadcasting a signal, and that signal decides whether money runs toward you or runs away from you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your frequency to attract money fast using proven mindset techniques, wealth psychology, and manifestation principles that the rich quietly live by. Stay until the end, because the last technique can shift your financial reality in 30 days or less. Part 1. What money frequency really means. Your frequency is your dominant emotional and mental state. It's your beliefs about money, your habits, your expectations. If you constantly think, money is hard to get, rich people are lucky, I'll never get ahead, you are literally tuning into poverty consciousness. But wealthy people live in a wealth frequency. Opportunity confidence, expansion, abundance mindset, financial intelligence, wealth frequency, abundance mindset, money manifestation, financial mindset, law of attraction money. Part 2. The emotional shift that attracts money. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Money responds to who you are becoming. To change your frequency, you must feel wealthy before you are wealthy. Not fake, not delusional, but emotionally aligned. Start asking yourself, how does a wealthy person think? How do they speak? How do they move through the world? When you shift from fear to certainty, from scarcity to strategy, your frequency changes, and money starts noticing you. Part 3. 5 ways to raise your money. Frequency fast. 1. Upgrade your language about money. Stop saying, I'm broke. Money is evil. I can't afford that. Start saying, I'm building wealth. Money flows to me. I'm increasing my income streams. Your words program your subconscious mind. 2. Visualize wealth daily. Spend 5 minutes a day imagining your bank account growing, passive income flowing. Financial freedom lifestyle visualization reprograms your brain to expect money. 3. Surround yourself with wealth signals. Follow wealthy creators, read finance books, listen to investment podcasts. Your environment shapes your frequency. 4. Take action like a wealth builder. Money follows movement. Start a side hustle. Invest, learn assets, build digital income. Action sends a signal to the universe and to opportunities. 5. Release fear and scarcity. Fear repels money. Confidence attracts money. Ask yourself, what would I do if I believed money was inevitable? Then do that. Part 4. The secret wealth frequency habit. Every wealthy person has one habit in common. They see money as a tool, not an emotional stress. They study it, they respect it, they multiply it. Start tracking your money, learn investing basics, understand cash flow. When you understand money, your frequency shifts from confusion to control, and control attracts wealth. Part 5. Urgency message. Listen closely. Every day you stay in a low financial frequency, you're losing opportunities, compounding interest, and time. The earlier you shift your mindset, the faster you create financial freedom. Your future wealthy self is waiting for you to tune in. If this video changed how you think about money, hit the like button, subscribe for wealth mindset content, and comment, I'm tuned into wealth to lock in your new frequency.